Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be at Essence Car Meet. We got pretty nice cars out here. As you can see, if you turn the camera around, it's already looking pretty lit. Hope everybody's day is going good or night, whatever y'all time y'all watch this video. I hope y'all subscribe and like. Let's get active. So as y'all can see guys, we got a S550. It's Pro Charged. It makes around 900 to 1,000. And this Mustang was actually in my uncle's shop for a pretty good while of time. Talk to the guy. Shout out to Shane. He also subscribed to the YouTube. Pretty nice guy. Very chill. And we got an MK5 Supra over here. And we got the camera crew on an Infinity. That is actually pretty hard. How much I think one of these camera setups costs for a car? That is crazy. Look at this suction cups. A nice porch over here. Little spider action. I'm afraid that one of these days I'm gonna be trying to record a video for you guys, and if I get hit with the no storage. Ah! We got a C7 over here with the Holly High Ram with the cone air intake. Look how spacious it is in there. With the red seats, tires. This is for sure one of the dreams right here. I ain't gonna lie. And we got a little coaster action over here. Let's see, you gotta see this RS4 over here. This thing is crazy. The setup on this is insane. That turbo is fucking fatter than my whole head. So SS action. Looks like another high ram. I don't know why, but NA builds, they're fucking clean as shit. The views actually look very nice outside today. It's been raining all week. And we got this over here. I don't know what the fuck this is about, but hey. Let's go. In the cool. So sick. Got a nice little TRD coming in. With the gap cam. With the Billa Boo Boo on the back. Take down, take down. Something over here that catched my eye. This little S2000. I would like one of these, I ain't gonna lie. One of the dream Honda builds right there. We got a S650 over here pulling in with a drag pack and a gap cam in the back. Got Guero Champ C6. With the high ram and everything. The man himself is right there. What's up? What's up? Only we're here with the C6 Corvette. You know what I'm saying? So we want to ask you today, why made you buy a C6 out of any other car?
So what made me buy a C6, not even gonna lie to you, whenever I was car shopping, I was around like 18 years old. It was between a 5th gen Camaro SS or a C6 Corvette. And I ain't even gonna lie, when I seen both of the cars next to each other at the dealership, I had to go to the C6 Corvette.
The blue made it more pop out, or what did?
So realistically, I just wanted a Corvette at the time. I didn't even know if it was gonna be a manual automatic or the color, but this one caught my eye, and I went towards this one. And then when I realized it was a manual, hey, I had to learn right then and there.
Yeah, you had to. So what made you go into the car community?
What made me go into the car community, man? It all started off with watching, like, my childhood, movies like Fast and Furious and playing Need for Speed, all those games. They made me go into it, man.
What made you start modding your car?
So what made me start modding my car, as you can see, I got the Harley out here. It's basically fully bolt on. It's all been upgraded in a way. But what made me repeat that question? You just wrote it out.
Just what made you start modding your car more into everybody else's C6? Because everybody C6 only has headers and cams. Why did you go with the high ram setup? How was the rideability with it?
So I don't know, even those who don't know, man. I'll be swinging it, doing everything, all types.
Yeah, he does. Y'all better tap in with him, man. He does all that.
So I make sure I put the car to its best potential as possible. And as you can see, it was actually an original base model, but I did a whole bunch of conversion with the wide fenders in the back. That was something I had to make it wide because the situation with the jack pack, so it won't be rubbing. As you can see, look, come over here. So right here, this all is actually painted. It's not a wrap. Like I said, I had to go with the wide body fenders because whenever I had the jack pack, it will rub, and with the wide fenders, it doesn't rub the fenders. Yeah, and what made me want to mod it is just I basically wanted to stand out. And also know in the car community, you always want to modify your cars, and it's never enough. You just modify and modify and modify. But what made me go with the high rank, because I hardly see cars like that. It makes me choose something a little bit different, but it's pretty cool.
So what made you go into the route of swinging instead of going street racing and all that? More of drifting and all that. What made you go into that?
So what made me go to all the different events is I want to get a little bit of lifestyle from all type of different views. So like the drifting and from drag racing as well. All legal. Just by the way,
all legal.
But yeah, so I just basically want to enjoy the car as much as I can.
But yeah, man, that's gonna be all the questions for today. I really appreciate you showing your car around, and hopefully somebody gets inspired by you and gets a C6 as well.
Hey man,
I appreciate you, bro.
Yeah.
I didn't know that was
Pop the hood real quick.
Yeah.
What the fuck is going?
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, Rafa again with his glasses and everything. Got a fucking Lego rap car over here. Got a nice M2 over here next to a CTV. Well, CTSV, my fault. They go wing on that shit. They got the scat out emblem with the arts. If y'all remember this from the last meet, it's a yellow Celine, very nice condition. Like the forge on there though. Nice C6 over here chopping. What is he? What's over here? Single turbo. SN95. I got motherfucking Fiat over there. Got a Type R. One of the dreams right here, I ain't gonna lie. Got another SS over here. This looks like to be a Whipple. Ooh, man, stop playing with those guys. Oh, it's just one fast SS. He sure is fast. So we're back at it after eating on Sam. That 60 roll, infamous 60 roll Pro Charge Camaro. There's something chopping over here. Got a Mac 1 over here, NA build. Carbon fiber wing. Some fat ass tires. Got a nice pink Supra over here next to the black Supra. Nice colorway on this Corvette over here. C5 leaving. Got a 5 over here. Mexico Racing League. You know them motherfuckers are fast. Got Sylvia over here. Some guy over there in the fucking Suburban fucking full power in his car over here. Got a Camaro Catfish. Oh, we got the fucking cops going after his ass. Fucking too much driving. I tell his ass to shut up. That's funny as shit. A clean fog spot over here. To me, it looks like it's gonna be a turbo LS. That's not even the crazy part. Look at this crazy part. Y'all ain't seen this car on YouTube. First time seeing it on fucking the streets. Houston. That's crazy. Shane, he's over here leaving already. Nice guy. He was in my uncle's performance shop. I had to talk to him about it earlier. Hell yeah, that thing sounds great. Man, that cop dicking around everybody, bro. He's let the nice cars rip.
que yo le un hueco son la cadena en oro.